everyone, I'm Kesha Parikh and I'm from India. I cleared my PC written exam. I came here 3 years back. I came as a student. I was studying fitness and health promotion. I did it for 2 years. Meanwhile, I was also doing my credentialing. It almost took me 1 year. It was a long time for me because of the back and forth paperwork. So it was a long journey. I was done with my credentials in January last year. Then I was looking for the good platform where I can learn and be more confident about my exam. So my seniors and some of my friends, they were already enrolled in the study buddy. They also cleared that PCE, so they referred me for the PCE, and that's how I joined study buddy. And one of my friend also guided me about the mentorship program, and that's how I ended up with the mentorship. And it was a pretty decent and very helpful experience for me to get my journey in a good way. My journey, I can say I had a lot of different things on my plate and a lot of different kind of challenges, which was very tough for me to handle everything all together. But about my study part, I was pretty much relieved because I had organized content, all the lectures, all the notes, quizzes, mock test. I did not have to go with the different YouTube videos or different platforms to clear my concepts, because Ankit sir, Mayank sir, Pooja ma'am, all teachers explained it in a pretty decent way where I was comfortable with the content. And I can say, like, I watched all the videos at least 2-3 times, but after that I was pretty confident with the content and I was able to crack my exam with decent marks. So yeah, study buddy helped me a lot to get through my fear, my challenges, and it helped me a lot to get my dream as a resident PT. If I want to rate study buddy in between 0 to 10 scale, I'll definitely say it's 100%. When I started my journey as a student, I can say I was at 0, because when I was studying in uni, I had a different concept. I studied everything, but I was not connecting the dots before. But after watching Ankit sir's videos, my anatomy, my MSK concepts are way more better as a physio, not regards of the exam. But as a individual physio, I can say I'm a better physio in terms of all the concepts. Now I can apply more concept in a better understanding. So study buddy helped me a lot to get my knowledge polished. I did know everything, but I did not know how to connect it with the actual conditions. And I always wanted to do something in MSK, like sports. After watching videos of Ankit sir, my interest towards sports are 100% better than before. So I can say study buddy helped me a lot to increase my knowledge and to polish my knowledge in a better way. If I have to say 3 tips, I'll definitely say watch recordings at least 2 or 3 times. It will help to increase your understanding better and better. And for the MSK, if you are not opening any books, that's okay, because Ankit sir's content is pretty much well organized and everything is good in terms of content. But for the other subject, I can definitely say to glance it once before you are going for the exam. It will give you better understanding in terms of understanding the questions and to get it done with the answer. The tip number 2 will be this exam is not only about the content. You have to better with the ethical scenarios. So go through the lectures, whatever we have it over the study buddy app. And apart from that, go through the FAQs, case of the study, case of the month. That's all in the Ontario's website and Alberta's website. You can easily get it from there. But I'll definitely say nowadays, exam is not only about the content. They are asking a lot of questions regards. It's not even ethical. It's more about the practical scenarios as well. So if you are listening any podcast, that's also a better understanding for you. It's in the Alberta's website. It's also in the Spotify, if I'm not wrong. It will help your understanding to get the better understanding about the clinical scenarios in Canada. And number 3 will be, I'll definitely say, do some sort of meditation or exercise, because if you're studying for this many hours, you need a little bit of relaxation as well. You won't able to study like a hippie. You have to eat well. You have to do some sort of exercise, meditation. It will help in your journey. So yeah, that's pretty much it. All the best, everybody.